lights at home, different types of light. What are they? They are machines, isn't it? We can run and race and swim and fly and drive. Machine can run, no doubt. We have vehicle, race vehicle we have. Do we have ships? Yes, it is swimming. We have flying machines. What is that? Aeroplanes, isn't it? And it is driving also. Yes, four-wheelers, two-wheelers, isn't it? Very beautiful poem. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. Okay. We can see and hear and count and read and write. We can see TV, televisions, mobile, you can see. You can hear also with all these gadgets. You can count, isn't it? Calculator. You can read with the notebook which you have, electronic notebooks. And you are writing messages in WhatsApp and all other notes, everything. Okay, as mobile have come, all the diaries, everything gone. Everything now is mobile. We are writing important dates, birthdays, engagements, whatever we have in our mobile itself, isn't it? So, what is my concern here to explain is, all the machineries are doing all the work. They are pulling, hauling, pushing, lifting, driving, printing, blowing, waving, providing heat and light. And it is able to run, race, swim, fly, drive. And it is also helping us to hear, to count and to read and write as well. How beautiful this poet is explained about the characters of machine, how they are helping in our life, isn't it? But remember, all this first stanza, this stanza you read about how machines are made. Okay, then this paragraph, it is saying you, machines are saying you, or it is explaining you how they are worked. And it is also giving, next stanza, it is explaining the services given by the machine to you and me and the society. Okay, and then next stanza is explaining you and me all about how it is. Okay, now let us see. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can either love, nor pity, nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. It is disadvantages, isn't it? It is helping so much, 24 hours in all sorts of our life. But sometimes if you misplace these machines, what will happen? You will also die. But remember, you need to follow the cautions, law. How to operate that machine. We are not built to comprehend a lie. Okay, you cannot play with the any electronic gadgets, isn't it? You can't. We can either love, nor pity, or nor forgive. Machines have no feeling. Neither they love you, nor they show you pity, or because you have misused the electronic gadgets, it will not forgive you. Instead, it will reply for all the action. If you slip, you will die. That is what they are trying to tell you. Okay? Though our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because of all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than a children of your brain. Okay, though you have handled us If once we become very bad, what we do is it will blast, no doubt. It will create lot of smoke. It will vanish, and the smoke will reach to the stars, and even clouds it will hide, isn't it? If they function for some reason or the other, they are set right and would start functioning again. If it is some repair work, you can do it. But if not, though they are huge in size, have a lot of weight and power, they are the children of man's intelligence. Hence, they will be under the control as long as he uses them judiciously. Okay, what we need to do? We need to use them judiciously, softly. How we have to use it? Like in that same way. Instead, if we misuse it, no doubt we will die. Okay, this poem is written by Rudyard Kipling. Okay, let me share you now some information about Rudyard Kipling. Joseph's full name is Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. He was born in India, which inspired much of his work. Kipling's work of fiction include The Jungle Book, Kim, even he has written Jungle Book, which is very famous. Yes, and many short stories including The Man Who Would Be King. Okay, this is all about Kipling and this poem. So now we'll proceed towards the homework. Homework is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Writing homework is up to 5. You need to write it in your homework book and learn these glossary words. Reading homework is read from page number 100 to page number 101. Okay, this is all about modern machinery. Can I put whole lesson into one nutshell? Whole poem into one nutshell? Yes. The poem deals with the problem of modern technology and machines. In the first stanza, we come to know how the machines are produced. Initially, the metallic or mineral ore is dug out from the earth. Then, it is melted in the furnace. It is molded and brought to the required shape by a hammer. It is measured, cut and filled and made into the machine. There are various types of machines which can do various tasks. To do the task, it needs water, coal and oil. Once the machines are set to work, it will do the work the whole day. Machine can do the work correctly, whatever may be the work assigned to it. It can pull and push, lift and drive. It can also print, blow, wave and produce heat and light. Machine can do all type of work, but it cannot understand, it cannot tell a lie like you and me. It can neither love nor pity and forgive. Man should handle the machine carefully, otherwise he is hammered or dead. Otherwise, if we don't carefully manage the machine, what will happen? It will die, no doubt. Machines are not only useful, but they can also lead to big disaster if they are not used in a right way. Isn't it? If you don't use it properly, it will blast. Due to the blasting, what will happen? Even we may tend to die. The smoke coming from the machine may cover the sky and hide the God in heaven. After some time, it will disappear and we could see the stars again. The machine is big, powerful and heavy but lifeless. It has no feeling and operated by man only. Nobody can operate other than man. It cannot do anything without a man, isn't it? Machines are waste without human being. It is also invented by man, no doubt. The poem ends with the statement that machines, although capable of great deeds, are still nothing more than the creation of the human brain. Okay? It is the creation of human brain. It is not made by itself. It is man-made. Without man, it is waste. Okay? With this, I will end my session. Bye, guys.